Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Accent tail light. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, disconnect the battery, remove trunk trim, and locate the tail light assembly fasteners. Unscrew the assembly carefully, unplug the wiring connector, and swap the bulb or socket as needed. Wear gloves, avoid touching glass, use a socket set, check seals and alignment. Take photos to remember trim locations and consult your owner manual if unsure. Start by laying out tools and parts on a clean surface so nothing gets lost. Verify the replacement bulb or assembly matches your Accent model inside. Use a flat trim tool to release clips without breaking plastic and a socket set for nuts behind the trunk. Protect electrical contacts with dielectric grease and wear gloves to avoid oils on bulbs. Having everything ready speeds the job and reduces frustration. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful car repair videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the Simple Path to Wealth because it helps you budget for car repairs and save smarter. It's a great read if you want to rethink money, tools, and plans while fixing your Accent. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With trim removed, hold the tail light assembly and remove the mounting nuts carefully so the unit does not fall. Gently pull the assembly out a few inches, then locate and unplug the wiring connector. Swap the bulb or the full assembly depending on damage, then reconnect the wiring and test brake, turn, and reverse lights. If everything works, reseat the assembly, tighten nuts evenly, replace trim, and confirm proper fit and sealing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.